Hi friends, I noted down some important bits from English methodology. Those who are preparing for DS examination can go through this because I read entire book and I noted down very important questions, and from this topic minimum 10 marks will be covered friends. Let's go through it. NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education. The term design features coined by C.F. Hockett. The term design features coined by C.F. Hockett. Morphology means word formation. Syntax means grammar. Prevarication. Prevarication means certain linguists extend the meaning of creativity and imagination to the point of being able to tell lies. That is called prevarication. CABE 1940, Central Advisory Board on Education. Central Advisory Board on Education. CABE proposed the three-language formula in 1956. CABE proposed the three-language formula in 1956. Three-language formula was approved in the year 1961. CABE proposed in the year 1956 and it was approved in the year 1961. The Education Commission 1964 to 66 advocated the three-language formula. David Crystal prophesied that English may become first language for Indians. David Crystal, he prophesied that English may become first language for Indians. 8th schedule of the Constitution of India grants status to language in the country. NKC, National Knowledge Commission. NKC, National Knowledge Commission. The first major landmark in the Indian education scene is the formal plea made by Macaulay through his minutes in 1835 during the rule of William Bentinck. Wood's Dispatch 1854, also known as the Magna Carta of Indian Education. The Teacher's Word Book, Thorndike and Lodge. The Teacher's Word Book, Thorndike and Lodge, in the year 1905. The author of the book, The Teacher's Word Book, is Thorndike and Lodge. GSL, the General Service List of English Words. GSL, the General Service List of English Words. The method introduced by Michael West came to be known as the reading method or the new method. The Language of the Crib, Ruth Ware. The Language of the Crib, written by Ruth Ware. LAD, Language Acquisition Device. LAD, Language Acquisition Device. Plosive 6, Affricates 2, Nasal 3, Lateral 1, Fricative 10, Semivowel 2. Bilabial 4, Labiodental 2, Dental 2, Alveolar 6, Post-alveolar 1, Palato-alveolar 4, Palatal 1, Velar 3, Glottal 1. From this, two questions will come friends. Compulsory two questions. They will ask how many plosives? There are 6 plosives. How many affricates are there? 2. So definitely from this 2 questions will come. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive. We use falling intonation in ordinary statements, WS questions, commands, question tags where the speaker is seeking an agreement, last item on a list. From this also one question compulsory friends. We use rising intonation in questions which can be answered with yes or no, WS questions asked in a warm and friendly way, requests, incomplete utterances, greetings, question tags where the speaker is less certain of the remark. Next one, we use falling rising intonation in apologies, insinuations, unpleasant news. Morphology is the study of word formation and a morpheme is the smallest part of the word that carries meaning. Morphemes are also known as word parts or root words or base words. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation but differ in spelling and meaning. Example, sun, sun, I. Words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meanings are called homonyms. Example, I have a right to talk, take a right turn at the crossroads. Types of listening: casual listening, focused listening, appreciative listening, gist listening. Listening and speaking skills are often called oral skills. Oral means listening skills. Oral skills means speaking skills. Approach establishes a relation between theory and practice of language teaching. This term was first used by Anthony E.M. in 1965. This term was first used by Anthony E.M. in 1965. Anthony E.M. wrote an article called Approach Method and Technique. Bilingual method, C.J. Dodson. This direct method is also called the natural method. Oral method was proposed by Harold Palmer. The structural approach, C.C. Fries and Robert Laudo. Audiolingual approach was also known as the structural oral situational, SOS. Palmer and Hornby. Basic interpersonal communication skills, CALP, cognitive, academic, linguistic proficiency. Thank you, friends. Hope you will watch the entire video. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.